Hello everyone, how are you doing? So let's learn a new widget, which is the entry widget. So we have already learned the label widget and the button widget. Now we want to enter some text from the user. So we will do it using the entry widget. Now before we do, let's create two more labels to make a registration form. So my first label would be a first name. You can see here that I have written another label as first name, and in the next line let me copy another label which should be last name. Now if I run this program, you can see that my first name and last name has appeared in the UI. Now it's time to add the entry widget. So if I write entry and then place it beside name and run it, you can see I get an entry widget where I can write stuff something like this. So let me add another widget. So I'll copy this and I'll place it near the second name text, and let me run this. Now you can see that my first name and last name have come. Now I can write something like my name, but then nothing happens. How to get this text and use it? So I can do that by a very simple mean. I'll specify a variable, say E1, for this entry widget, and then use the function e1.place. Similarly, for the second entry widget, I'll name it as E2 and place it here. Now I have two variables. I want to get the data which the user inputs using a button. So let me add a button. So my button would be placed in line with the exit button. So let me make this 3.5, and I'll have a function like fetch data. Now let me define this function. Define fetch data. Now I have these variables E1 and E2 for my entry widgets. So I'll just put first name as e1.get and last name as e2.get, and then let me print this as name is f name comma, you can say plus, I'll have a space, and L name. So let me run this. Now say if I write my first name as Anirban and second name as Dasgupta. Okay, so here let me rename this button, because both the buttons are now exit buttons. So here I can write something like get data or something like save data, and let me now run this. So first name I'll put as Anirban, second name I'll put as Dasgupta. You can put any name. As I press save data, you can see that the entry widget has passed the variables pass the data to the variables fname and lname respectively. So hope you have enjoyed this video. You can try out the entry widget. We will come back with more exciting widgets. Thank you very much.